Welcome to Financial Works, the channel where we help you achieve your financial goals and dreams. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money online by selling t-shirts. T-shirts are one of the most popular and versatile clothing items in the world, and they can also be a great way to express your creativity and personality. Whether you have a catchy slogan, a cool design, or a funny joke, you can turn it into a t-shirt and sell it to millions of people online. But how do you start a t-shirt business from scratch, and what are the steps, tools, and strategies you need to succeed? Let's find out. Step 1. Do your research. Before you start designing and selling t-shirts, you need to do some research to understand the market, the competition, and the audience. Here are some tips to help you with your research. Find your niche and target audience. By finding your niche and target audience, you can create t-shirts that appeal to their interests, needs, and preferences, and stand out from the crowd. For example, if you love sci-fi movies, you can create t-shirts for sci-fi fans. Analyze the competition. You're not the only one who wants to make money online by selling t-shirts. By analyzing the competition, you can find your unique selling proposition, or USP, which is the thing that makes your t-shirts different and better than the rest. Validate your idea. Before you invest your time, money, and energy into creating and selling your t-shirts, you need to validate your idea and make sure that there is enough demand and potential for your products. You don't want to create t-shirts that nobody wants or cares about. By validating your idea, you can reduce the risk of failure, improve your product, and increase your confidence and motivation. Step 2. Start designing. Once you have done your research and validated your idea, you can start designing your t-shirts. This is the fun and creative part of the process, where you can turn your vision into reality. Here are some tips to help you with your designing. To create your t-shirt designs, you need to use a design software that allows you to create, edit, and export your images in high quality and resolution. You can use professional tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, or free tools like GIMP, Inkscape, or Canva. You can also use online tools like Brush Your Ideas, Placeit, or Designhill, which are specifically designed for creating t-shirt designs. These tools have features like templates, fonts, icons, and mock-ups that can help you create stunning and professional-looking designs in minutes. To create effective and engaging t-shirt designs, you need to follow some best practices, such as 1. Don't overcomplicate your design with too many elements, colors, or fonts. A simple design can be more impactful, memorable, and appealing than a complex one. 2. Contrast is the difference between the light and dark areas of your design, and it can help you create a balance, a focus, and a harmony in your design. You can use contrast to make your design stand out from the background, to highlight the important parts of your design, or to create a mood or a tone for your design. 3. Remember who you are designing for, and what they like, need, and expect from your t-shirts. You want to create a design that resonates with your audience, that speaks to their interests, needs, and preferences, and that makes them want to buy and wear your t-shirts. 4. Before you finalize your design, you need to test it and make sure that it looks good and works well on different t-shirts, sizes, colors, and materials. You can use tools like Printful, Printify, or Teespring to create and order samples of your t-shirts, and see how they look and feel in real life. Step 3. Decide how to sell online. There are two main ways to sell t-shirts online: print on demand and drop shipping. Here are the differences and benefits of each method. Print on demand is a method where you only print and ship your t-shirts when someone orders them. You can use platforms like Printful, Printify, or Teespring to create and sell your t-shirts online. These platforms allow you to upload your designs, choose your t-shirts, set your prices, and create your online store. When someone orders your t-shirt, the platform will print and ship it to the customer, and you will get paid. The benefits of print on demand are: 1. You don't have to invest any money up front, as you only pay for the t-shirts that you sell. 2. You don't have to worry about inventory, production, or shipping, as the platform handles everything for you. 3. You have full control over your designs, prices, and profits, as you can customize your t-shirts and set your own margins. 4. You can offer a wide variety of t-shirts, sizes, colors, and styles, as the platform has a large catalog of products to choose from. Drop shipping is a method where you sell t-shirts that are made and shipped by a third-party supplier. You can use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find and sell t-shirts online. These platforms allow you to browse through thousands of t-shirts from different suppliers and add them to your online store. When someone orders your t-shirt, the platform will notify the supplier, who will print and ship it to the customer, and you will get paid. The benefits of drop shipping are: 1. You don't have to create your own designs, as you can sell t-shirts that are already made by the suppliers. 2. You don't have to worry about inventory, production, or shipping, as the supplier handles everything for you. 3. You can offer a large variety of t-shirts, as the platform has a huge selection of products to choose from. 4. You can find low-cost t-shirts, as the platform offers competitive prices and discounts. Both print-on-demand and drop shipping have their pros and cons, and you can choose the one that suits your needs, goals, and preferences. You can also use both methods simultaneously, or switch between them as you grow your business. Step 4. Promote your t-shirts. You can have the best t-shirts in the world, but if nobody knows about them, you won't make any sales. Therefore, you need to market your t-shirts and reach your target audience. Here are some ways to promote your t-shirts online. 1. Social media is one of the most powerful and effective ways to promote your t-shirts and build your brand. You can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest to create and share content related to your t-shirts. You can also use social media ads, such as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Twitter ads, to target and reach your ideal customers and drive them to your online store. 2. Email marketing is another great way to promote your t-shirts and build a relationship with your customers. You can use tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Mailshake to create and send newsletters, promotions, or updates to your email list. You can also use tools like OptimMonster, Sumo, or HelloBar to collect email addresses from your website visitors and grow your email list. 3. Content marketing is a great way to distribute valuable, relevant, and engaging content that attracts your audience to your online store. You can use platforms like YouTube, Medium, or WordPress to create and share content related to your target audience, such as tutorials, reviews, tips, or stories. Using tools like BuzzSumo, Quora, or Reddit, you can find and join conversations related to your niche, and share your content and t-shirts with them. 4. Influencer marketing is a way to leverage the power and influence of other people who have a large and loyal following on social media or other platforms. You can use platforms like FameBit, Aspire IQ, or Upfluence to find and connect with influencers who are relevant to your niche and target audience, and who can promote your t-shirts to their followers. By using these methods, you can promote your t-shirts and increase your traffic, conversions, and sales. Selling t-shirts online is a great way to make money online, and it can be a fun and rewarding business for those with the right skills and mindset. To get started as a beginner, you need to do your research, start designing, decide how to sell online, and promote your t-shirts. By following these steps, you can launch your t-shirt business and start earning income from anywhere in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Also, check out my Redbubble link in the description for some amazing designs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.